The Great Pyramid, tomb or machine. The critique of the funerary paradigm. For centuries, we have been told that the Great Pyramid of Giza was built as a tomb for the 4th dynasty pharaoh, Khufu. But if we look at it through the lens of modern engineering, the tomb theory begins to crumble. In every other Egyptian tomb, from Saqqara to the Valley of the Kings, we find decorations, hieroglyphs, and mummified remains. Yet, inside the Great Pyramid, there is nothing. When Caliph Al-Mun breached the structure in 820 CE, he found the king's chamber in a state of clinical bareness. An adorned granite box. No inscription. No funeral goods. The internal passages are a logistical nightmare for a burial. The granite plug stones were designed to seal the ascending passage from the inside. How could a royal burial party maneuver a body and heavy artifacts through passages only 3 feet wide that were already meant to be sealed? The acoustic resonance engine. If it wasn't a tomb, what was it? Mechanical engineer Christopher Dunn proposes a radical alternative. The Giza power plant. The physics of piezoelectricity. The king's chamber is built of red Aswan granite. This rock contains 25% quartz. When quartz is subjected to mechanical stress, it produces electricity. This is defined by the equation, the resonator model. Dunn argues C43 granite beams above the king's chamber were tuned to the Earth's resonant frequency. The Grand Gallery, with its 27 pairs of slots, likely held Helmholtz resonators. These would convert seismic vibrations into concentrated acoustic energy, focusing it into the king's chamber to create a massive electromagnetic field. The chemical hydrogen generator. But the machine needed a medium. Evidence suggests the Queen's chamber was a chemical reaction vessel. Technical evidence: thick salt deposits on the walls. And the air shafts that didn't reach the outside suggest they were used to pump chemicals. Or a similar path involving sulfuric acid. The result: hydrogen gas. This gas would fill the chambers, absorbing the acoustic and electromagnetic energy, acting as a maser. Microwave amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. The copper pins found in Gantenbrink's door weren't handles. They were likely electrodes to monitor chemical levels. The hydraulic pulse generator. Deep beneath the pyramid lies the subterranean chamber, often called unfinished. Its jagged design is actually consistent with a hydraulic ram pump. The water hammer effect by channeling Nile water into the descending passage and suddenly restricting it, a high-pressure pulse is created. This shockwave would vibrate the entire Giza plateau, providing the mechanical kick needed to keep the piezoelectric engine running. The smoking gun, advanced machining. The most undeniable evidence of high technology is found in the stone itself. We see spiral drill marks in granite that indicate a feed rate faster than modern diamond drills. The king's chamber beams are leveled to within 0.001 inches precision impossible with copper chisels and stone hammers. The only link to Pharaoh Khufu is a red ochre cartouche found by Colonel Howard Vyse in 1837. Many experts argue this was a forgery, created by Vyse to justify his funding, as the hieroglyphs contain grammatical errors that didn't exist in Khufu's time. Conclusion: a lost legacy. Was the Great Pyramid a tomb, or was it an industrial complex inherited from a pre-dynastic civilization? From the Scan Pyramid's big void to the hidden Ensita system under the plateau, the evidence points toward a functional machina masterpiece of physics and engineering that we are only just beginning to understand.